Alright, test. Are we live? Okay. Alright. I mean, it's gonna be weird to set up all the levels. Hmm. Yeah, a lot of volatility coming in there. Still don't know what it was. Hey, how are you doing? Good morning. What was it? Oh, unemployment claims, I guess. Alright, let me get a little bit more water and then, yeah, we will get ready. We have 5 minutes still. Let me just refill my water real quick and then we're gonna set up all the levels. It's always hard to set up my levels if we have a lot of volatility right before the market opens or like these. Yeah, I don't know. But we will see. Yeah, just from looking at it, I think we're gonna get maybe an entry here on the yes. Looks the cleanest so far. Yeah, super volatile here. Must have been something else. I think this is the unemployment claims coming out. And then we had something else here. Pretty big candle. All right, 2.5 minutes. Let me start the recording. All right, I think we're ready. Just these big candles before makes the other move here look way smaller than it actually is. Okay, let me refresh everything one more time. Okay, and we're on the right account. Yeah, we're gonna start with the Bullnox account like always. Look for our little scalp on the open, and then we're gonna wait for the 15-minute range to form and take a breakout there on my Tradify accounts. Maybe 2 more clean trades, and this one is at a payout, so it counts. It's important now to get a good entries. I don't know, it's gonna be a weird open here. Big spike higher. And just pulling back a little bit and just going sideways. But we shall see. All right, we got 50 seconds here. Oh, Trump and the Chinese, they had a call, I guess. Or did they plan to have a call? Interesting. All right, 20 seconds. Good luck, guys. Follow your plan. Take your setups. And yeah, watch out. Careful. Okay, we're open. Actually, it looks more likely we get something here on the RTY. Or on the YM. Okay, that's not gonna be an entry, I guess. Let's see. Here. This is the YM. Okay, no entry yet. Okay, getting a move lower here. Okay, selling off. Everything's selling off. Nothing really closing good enough. I mean, the ES closing below here. See if it would work out. Yeah. Well, ES worked out. It was a pretty big stop. Okay, still going lower. Just grinding lower here. No entry yet. Okay, if we break this level and we close below it, I will definitely take it. All right, we're in. Let's see if we get our scalp here. I'm gonna set my target a little bit tighter. My allergy kicking in again. I mean, we're kind of close right on the level. So let's see if we can continue. Just want to catch some momentum. It's not a good reaction. I mean, we're right on the level here. We get the low spike lower, but it didn't close below yet. I was thinking about just taking it off a little bit earlier there. Might have been the better decision. Especially if we're just scalping for a couple ticks. We're still in. Another push lower here. Not really the momentum I want to see. Okay, gonna move my stop a little bit closer at least. I just stuck here. I mean, we're in profit, but just a couple ticks. Need one more flash lower. It's gonna move it a little bit closer. See if we get our 20 points. All right. Okay, not too bad. The issue is it just this closes right at the level. And then the first spike was pretty good, but we just got so slow here. We take it. All right. Yeah, let me switch over to Tradeify. Yeah, now we're gonna wait for the 15-minute range to form, and then we're gonna take our breakout there. This allergy is just... Whenever I open the window, it's just getting so bad. All right, let's see if we're still going lower or not. Got 8 minutes before we can take our 15-minute trade. Hey Sean, how are you doing? Yeah, a lot of volatility here before the market opened. Oh shit, that's what I wanted to do. Yeah, this candle. Like first we had news coming out, like the unemployment claims, and then they announced that China and Trump, they're gonna have a phone call. Pretty weird, the market. Okay, so YM still pushed a little bit lower, but good that we just took it off there. At least we don't have news later in the market. That's the good part. Still have 5.5 minutes here. The range is already 80 points. So. And we're going lower. Lower. All right. Still got 4 minutes here. But yeah, the YM worked up pretty decently. Like we could have held it way longer, actually. Could have gotten like almost 70 points. All right, let me update this. 2.5 minutes. Range is like 100 points here today. Okay, 2 minutes. It's like we might get a short here today. But yeah, I just hope for a clean setup, clean entry. Okay, so looks like the range is formed. Now we're just gonna wait for our breakout. Okay, getting closer here to the bottom of the range. Just gonna focus up here. Well, it looks like this is gonna, I mean, it's close right on it. I don't know if I can trust that. I mean, there it goes. Would have worked pretty smooth. Just closed right on it and in the last second. Would have been a big stop as well. A 40-point stop. 45-point stop. See if we get one more time back into the range and then another move. Yeah, just going lower, this would have worked pretty good. Okay, gonna wait for the 2-minute close. If we get a good close, I will still take it now. Okay, we're in. I don't know if we just take 20 here. We're late. I don't know. You know what? We're just gonna take 20 if we get there. If we go a bit lower, I will move my stop. Never know when you're gonna see a pullback, so. Yeah, there it is. The entry was definitely the big candle here. Feels like we're gonna get stopped. All right, we're stopped. Pretty big stop. Not a fan of it. It's just I couldn't react. It was just in the last second we make this move. But yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna call it here. I don't feel good at all. My allergy is really kicking in. It's really getting me. So I'm gonna make a cut here. I mean, we had our trade on the YM, worked out pretty good, and yeah, maybe I'll get a re-enter later. Later, I can re-enter, but I gotta call it here. My eyes are just totally screwed. Anyways, guys, I will be back tomorrow. Good luck if you're still trading. And yeah, I see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.